Gauri, today which
Hmm.
you sent me, you have written import numpy as NP.
Correct.
The question was just to get the list. It's not NP is not needed here. Number one.
Yeah, I
Okay.
understand. I tried without that also, but I could only get the last, 2 1 के आगे मेरा loop जाता ही नहीं है.
Okay.
So then I tried with
ठीक है.
NumPy, but
अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, उसको मैं दोनों तरीके से बताता हूँ. ओके, यू आर करेक्ट ऑन पार्ट कि अगर एक पार्ट एक चीज से नहीं हो रहा है तो उसको दूसरी चीज से ट्राई करके देखते हैं. ठीक है,
right.
दैट इज करेक्ट. अब मैं उसको रेक्टिफाई करता हूँ. लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन. This is what your confusion is, right?
Yes, yes.
First thing, let's consider just the list.
Right.
Abhi, we have a
List.
list which is called X. Now the question is, program to get list sorted in increasing order by last element in each tuple. Okay. Now how we have to sort it? By this element,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go for a traditional method. If first thing, let's confirm that if I'm getting the correct value or not. I of 1, that means we're getting these values, correct? And it should be in increasing order. That means we have to find the smallest value, correct?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So what we do is, let's declare empty list is z. Okay, and I consider the smallest value as x of 0 1. Okay,
Hmm.
just to be sure.
Yep.
Okay, this is our smallest value. So if I of 2 is greater than Sm, then Z should have its value.
Yes.
Let's see if this works. Still you're getting the empty one.
ये exactly यही problem था अर्पित. That's why I shifted to NumPy. And then what I said is
यहाँ
कि
पे वैल्यूज तो आ रहे हैं.
index
अब
मिल
इसमें क्या
सकता
होगा?
है क्या? Can we find the index of I and say that that index value has to be then appended to Z?
Now you're written here index of I.
हाँ.
This is what you're saying?
Yes.
No, this won't actually go, because if you see the values, see, last we are getting in I, what we are getting is not getting the value, we are getting tuple, right?
Right.
And
Right.
if we have to sort the tuple, we have discussed this. Now you have to consider I as a tuple, right? So the functions will not be working as an list, but as a tuple, right?
Correct.
So we can get the index of tuple. So let's see it this way. If IF1, if this value IF1 is 1 is greater than SM, so we consider okay, for every iteration, if we consider
तो इसमें हो क्या रहा है ना, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम द कंडीशन इज मेट,
देखो,
इट्स
अगर आप यहाँ पे if you write just print I, so you're getting these values, correct? That means वो iteration run कर रहा है. Now what we have to do is we have to consider if this value is smaller than this value or not. ठीक है? If it is smaller than this value, then अब SM में value जो है वो ये वाला value आ जाएगा. ठीक है? We'll have to repeat this also. SM is equal to, right now it's set to 5. Now if I of 1, since I have ठीक है, तो I of 0, I of 1 मैंने लिया हुआ है. 0 1, ठीक है, तो 0 1 5 हमने सेट किया हुआ है. If I of 1, that means this value is less than 2. Let's consider this. If 2, here we have a value 2. If 2 is less than 5, then
it will
we store, right. If not, okay. Firstly, let's set this value. Okay. If this condition is true, if I of 1 is less than the value, then we are setting the new smaller value, that is I of 1.
Correct.
Correct. And then we have to store okay, we are getting one value at end of every value, so we'll have to update it for every next value. If I have 1.
Sir, small equal to x equal to 0 to end, na sir?
For small equal to 0 to?
End, till end it will run, na?
This value, this one you're saying?
Yes, sir. Actually,
no, we are declaring the smaller value.
Okay, sir.
Right. So this in x we are declaring 0th level. 2 of 5 and 5. I'm declaring the smaller value as 5, right?
Okay, sir.
So whenever the next value comes, we compare it, the condition is 2 less than 5 or not. So if 2 is less than 5, then it won't get into it. If this is false, if 2 is less than 5, it's false. No, it's
Correct.
true. It's true. I'm saying the opposite. It's if 2 is less than 5, then the new smaller value is set as f1,
Yes, sir.
right? That is this value 2. Okay, and we are saving that value into z. So what we'll do is
So now we'll remove z from x.
let's write it like this way. And we have to store this value into why is it being done as
Arpit, एक बार
no,
when the
there is a
lowest
confusion.
tuple gets appended to z, why don't we then remove it from x and then repeat the loop again?
And the thing is, it's being just one second. I just made a mistake there. What I've done is, if j is 0, then z of j should be equal to the current value I. Let's take
You want to say zj is equal to xi, right? x of I ना? आप वो वैल्यू आगे लेके आना चाहते हो, राइट?
मैं एक्चुअली क्या है कि मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जब भी ये कंडीशन फुलफिल हो रहा है, राइट, जब भी हम बोल रहे हैं जे पे वैल्यू 0 है, तो z of 0 शुड बी इक्वल टू दिस पर्टिकुलर टपल I.
राइट. ओके, आप z में ऐड कर रहे हो, यू आर नॉट रीअरेंजिंग x itself.
Let's go back to the question. Can you tell me कि वो क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या था?
It
यहाँ
was
पे ये क्वेश्चन
5 or 6, I think so. It's
get the Python program to get the list sorted in increasing order. So you have to get
No.
x sorted in increasing order by the last element in each tuple.
I think 5th or 6th question.
हाँ, सही है, वही है.
1 second, I write that one.
I just want to make sure कि I'm missing something or not.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 questions, sir.
Yeah, I can see it. Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me see this. Hello?
Huh.
Yeah. Okay. So now ultimately what we have to do is कि जो भी tuple हमारे पास आ रहा है, we have to just check the last element, ठीक है? और
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible?
Yes, sir.
No.
No?
Now it is.
Okay. So there is a sorted function.
In that, sir, it will give in another method, sir. It define last and return n equal to -1.
If you use a sorted function directly, see how they are.
Yes.
What they're saying is, see. Get this. This was. If you use, see, this is the list what we have got, right? And you use sorted function, whether it's a list or whether it's a tuple, doesn't matter. And you write key equal to get key. Here key would be what? Your last value?
-1.
No, just write it last. Then
Okay.
it will work. List. If we give it like this, don't have to get into loops. Right. We'll have to define the value and return -1. Just see, I'm using a shortcut है. अगर ये work नहीं करता है, so what we do is कि यहाँ पे हमें एक int actually problem is कि int value वहाँ पे callable नहीं हो पा रहा. So what we'll do is कि जब भी वो last value को call करे और वहाँ पे एक value return होगा, that is n of -1. And we write ठीक है. So what happened was, अभी देखो हमने क्या किया. We are using sorted function जो that would take the input as individual tuple or list, and for how we have to do it, what we have done is given a value last, right? तो अब जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ पे जा रहा है वो उसको -1 पे रिटर्न कर दे रहा है. बात वही है कि if you write it 1 or if you write -1 or you use it like this way, what we have done is define the function the value as last, right? और उसके अंदर what we have given is कि जो भी वैल्यू आ रहा है so return n-1, so that 0 to last वैल्यू पे जा रहा है वो -1 वैल्यू पे उठा रहा है. ठीक है.
Okay.
ओके एंड लास्ट और क्या क्वेश्चन था? सैटरडे को आपने कुछ क्वेश्चंस बताए थे ना गौरी?
Right. The next one was the pop thing. So अगर direct input करते हैं pop में तो the index value then it removes it, but My question was, how can you do it by taking input from the user?
See, if I write x is equal to 0 and x1 is
Okay.
Got it? How we are going to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Another question?
Frequency का था last one. I could get the frequency, but it prints each and every element in the list along with the frequency. Instead of giving a summary, ki 1 is repeated twice, 3 is repeated thrice, it gives me 1, 2,
Which
1.
question are you referring to? Can you give me the question number?
Number 34.
35.
34. Write Python program to get frequency of elements in a list.
Hmm. 34 is giving me another question.
Same word में है, उसी word file में है.
Assignment 3 list वाले में?
हाँ, उसी में है, correct.
34. Program using sieve Erasmus method.
No. This is Python program to get frequency of the elements in a list. If you open the same word file I sent.
Yes. Okay. Frequency of elements in a list. Got it.
Right. So I can get the frequency, but the way the output is not summarized. आपका स्क्रीन विजिबल सर पे
ये बीच में रुकता है.
हाँ, now it is visible.
ठीक है. You can go for loops in this. I'll tell you a shortcut. For this is there is a collections library.
ये मैंने use किया है, so I did the same thing. हाँ, so when I do collections, I get the output the way in the summarized format.
So basically, this is the target. You have to, if you get the function anywhere. Problem ये है कि अगर अभी हम loop से इसको लिखेंगे, तो you'll be a good developer, but you won't be a smart developer, right?
Yeah.
Point है कि आपको वो function define नहीं करना है, ठीक है?
Right.
अगर see what my theory was right now कि जैसे ही मैंने question देखा, my theory was कि you have to calculate frequency, that means counter, that means there is a collections library या कुछ ना कुछ उससे relate हो गई, correct?
Okay.
So just you simple Google it and you'll get the example और उसको implement करो हो जाएगा. That's it.
Okay.